Being one of the world's fastest growing industries, information technology is the most dynamic field of study. Today's world is heavily dependent on technology and its breakthroughs.
TAU's online courses on information technology have been designed to match the demands of 21st century workplace. TAU offers a comprehensive repository of IT study to train the employees according to the expectations of the future IT industry. The university qualifies and trains individuals according to the goals and objective of the current business sector. According to the Information Technology Association of America, information technology is the study, design, development, application, implementation, support or management of computer-based information systems.
IT specialists assume the following key responsibilities: selecting hardware and software products appropriate for a business or organization, integrating those products with organizational needs and infrastructure, and installing, customizing, maintaining and upgrading those applications for the organization's computer users. Courses offered: Diploma in Information Technology, duration 1 year. Eligibility: high school, O-level completion. Bachelor degree in Computer Technology, duration 3 years 6 months. Eligibility: high school, A-level completion.
The program will enhance the curriculum about the fundamentals of information technology, computer science and computer applications in different heads. The student is trained to handle the programs in updated software with unique teaching methodology.
Specializations: Information Technology, Computer Science, Computer Application. The core learning methodology of the bachelor's degree consists of OTLP, forum discussion and research project. It has 10 trimester and 1 summer term. It has a credit of 122 hours. The OTLP implies a module a week.
The bachelor's degree in information technology involves the study of technical communication skills, web technologies, C programming and information systems, advanced networking and so on. While you choose a bachelor's degree in computer applications, besides these subjects, you train in e-commerce, multimedia application development, computer communications and networks, etc. A bachelor's in computer science program involves training in advanced programming and advanced computer architecture besides the basic of information.
Postgraduate diploma, duration 1 year. Eligibility: any bachelor's degree. Specialization: Information Technology, Computer Science. Master's degree, duration 2 years. Eligibility: any degree preferably with 1 paper in mathematical science, mathematics, operation research, statistics, computer science. Specializations: Information Technology and Computer Science. Health Informatics, doctoral degree, duration 3 years. Eligibility: master's degree in relevant specialty.
The program ensures the IT student towards the technology support to perform as web designer, programmer, software developer and to execute the related tasks. The curriculum will guide the student to handle IT projects with practical knowledge through online platform.
PhD in Computer Science. The PhD level includes article reviews, project and research as the core methodology, which is covered in 9 trimesters and a total of 60 hours. Research program is envisioned on developing the inherent research capability of IT professional. The curriculum designed to educate on the further developments in IT field, basic skills and information required to fill the gap between the current and future demand in the sector. The student should undergo a research work to identify and suggest new potentials of the information technology towards international IT markets and industries. The objectives of TAU's distance and online learning program in information technology: to offer comprehensive and challenging advanced course in information technology which attracts the most brilliant and talented young students, to achieve high standards of academic excellence, creativity and professional competence. to develop creativity, capability and competence in students to make them A-class professionals in information technology, to provide ample opportunity both to students and faculty to update their knowledge about the latest advances in the field of information technology and share their achievements with the society, to update and enhance the existing skills of individuals and thereby increase their employment opportunities.
The distance and online IT curriculum trains the student in verbal communication, time management, customer service and problem-solving skills, the basic of technology. The IT students has access to all the relevant course material at mouse click. The online sharing forum is the perfect platform for the student to interact and expand his learning. TAU's distance and online training gives you the expertise you need in specific product or technology. Our certified faculty coaches you to be accurate, complete and updated.
TAU offers all the online programs in tuition partnership with University of Central Nicaragua, where the final transcripts and degrees offered by University of Central Nicaragua. Enroll now at www.tauedu.org.